Hello everyone. I am going to introduce you to SPSS in this video. So first you have to learn how to open it. And so if you are on a Penn State computer on campus, you should be able to just go to the Windows logo and then click on it. And then you should be able, if the program is not in your most used programs over here, just type in SPSS, and then you should see IBM SPSS Statistics 25. So that's what you want to click on. All right. So SPSS takes up a lot of memory or RAM while you're running it on a computer. So you may see some other programs running much slower while you're working on it. Just FYI. And sometimes it just takes a little while to load too. See how long it takes here. So once you see it start to open, that's a good sign. Hopefully it's just a few more seconds while it opens. Oh my gosh, I forgot how long this takes. There we go. So you get a little welcome screen that probably has some of your most recent files that you've opened. You most likely will not have any files if you're opening SPSS for the first time. So I just recommend just closing out of it. And so the first thing that you'll notice, maybe not, is that there are two tabs in the lower left-hand corner. One is a variable view and one is a data view. And so hopefully these are self-explanatory. So data view is where you're going to actually input and view the actual participants' responses. The variable view is where you're going to manage the variables. You're going to put in the variable names, and set the width of the cells and decimals and etc. And so I'll be going through that in the next video. But hopefully you can successfully open SPSS and then get here. And you'll notice that it's sort of familiar to Excel. It looks sort of like a spreadsheet, and there are drop-down menus here. So SPSS is pretty user-friendly, and this is why it's one of the most used statistical software programs out there. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to manage your variables.